Good morning. Welcome to Tito's, sir. Well, someone surely knows what they want.
Just coffee.
You sure I can't interest you in some eggs or something? Shravan can whip up a mean pair of scrambled.
Just coffee, please.
Okay. Coffee it is. Here's your coffee, freshly brewed.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So, what's the deal with that guy?
What guy?
That coffee guy?
Oh, Robert.
Oh. So you're on first name basis with him now, huh?
Well, he's been here for 5 hours. It was bound to happen by the 8th trip he was over here.
So, what's his deal?
What deal? He's just drinking coffee.
Yeah, drinking coffee for like 5 hours.
It's a bit odd, I know. But he's just some loner. Probably has no place else to go.
When are you gonna cut him off?
Why would I cut him off? Refills are free.
But you better hope that Pramod doesn't find out.
Yeah. Some more coffee, sir?
Yes, please.
Shikha,
Yes, sir.
who's that man?
That's Robert, sir.
Robert? He's eating a sandwich.
What?
He is eating a sandwich. I need you to ask him to leave.
Yeah, but
No outside food. You know the rules.
when did that happen?
Now,
Look, sir, give him a break. He's just a harmless guy.
I've been watching him. Just how many cups of coffee he had
About 10?
and how much you charged him?
50 rupees.
50 rupees for 10 cups?
Yes, sir. But our sign says free refills. What could I do?
Charge him more.
Sir,
Look, just ask him to leave now. Or those cups are coming out of your salary.
what if he's homeless? What if I'm kicking some homeless guy out in the cold? When all he wanted was some quiet place to rest and some coffee?
Shikha, it's like 55 degrees outside.
Yeah, but it could get colder, right?
Fine then, don't kick him out. I mean, what do you care what Kishore says anyways? He's just the manager.
He said if I serve him anymore, it comes out of my salary.
Then don't serve him anymore. Simple.
Ritesh,
Yes, sir.
where is Shikha?
On our way, sir.
Who's serving that man?
Everyone.
Everyone? What do you mean by everyone?
About that guy,
Really?
sir was asking me, who is serving coffee? I told him
Huh?
everybody. He was asking about you also. I told him, you are on a break.
Are you even serious? Everyone?
Let me make this perfectly clear. No more refills to that guy. Do you understand?
Hey, we've got 18 cups.
We are out of coffee now. Are we clear on that? And you, I told you to get rid of that guy. You better believe I will be talking more the cost of the coffee than you paid.
But you can't do that.
Watch me. Get him out of here. Now, okay.
Sir, but I promised him one last refill.
Fine, one more. Then get him out of here.
You okay?
I can't afford to get my pay, doc. They just upped my rent last month.
Don't worry, Shika. I'm sure we all will work out something.
Okay.
Don't worry, huh?
That's it. Get out now.
So just leave him alone.
You stay out of it. I will deal with you next time.
Yes, sir.
And you better leave my restaurant now.
Okay. I mean, as such, I'm done with my coffee, and I'll just pay you the bill. And will you make sure that the lady who served me gets this money? I don't want her to think that I sniffed her. Okay.
And the breaking news of the hour, philanthropist Robert Monteiro turns angel for children. Son of India's leading business tycoon and philanthropist, Robert Monteiro has donated rupees 15 crores to Indian Welfare Children Trust. Mr. Robert, who is always known for his social work and always known as a kind-hearted personality, has done this donation to help the underprivileged children.
Waiter, please.
Pleasure, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you.